Number 1.
1999 Nissan Frontier, price $3,500, powered by a V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and has approximately 222,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this 4WD King cab pickup offers a practical blend of performance and utility. It comes equipped with a bedliner, tow-ball hitch, aftermarket CD/radio stereo, and a clean title, making it a solid option for both everyday driving and light-duty hauling. The truck does have a few known issues, including a gas gauge that needs replacement, minor rust on the driver's side front bed corner and above the passenger side rear wheel, and a scratch on the passenger side door extending toward the fuel filler area. The driver's side sun visor has a tear, the air conditioning blows cool air but could likely benefit from a recharge, and the interior is not smoke-free.
Number 2.
1995 Ford F150, price $9,995, powered by a dependable 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing approximately 152,000 miles, the truck is finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior and features a desirable flare side bed design. As a 2WD model, it offers comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers and is well suited for both daily driving and light-duty hauling. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has been maintained as a practical and versatile pickup. The truck is equipped with a variety of desirable features, including step boards, chrome front and rear bumpers, aluminum alloy wheels, a paint-matched hardtop bed cover, power windows, and power door locks. These features enhance both its appearance and convenience while preserving its classic Ford truck character. Please note that the radio is currently not working, and the operational condition of the secondary fuel tank is unknown. Despite these minor issues, this F-150 remains an attractive option for anyone looking for a solid V8-powered pickup with classic styling and useful equipment.
Number 3.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, powered by a reliable 5.7L 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has been driven 186,000 miles and features a classic white exterior with a blue interior. It is equipped with power windows and power door locks, offering added convenience for daily driving. The vehicle runs great and remains in good mechanical condition. It retains its original paint, with some oxidation visible on the passenger side and on the passenger side section of the roof. The truck comes with 2 sets of keys, and a clean title is in hand, making it ready for its next owner. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid, well-maintained classic pickup.
Number 4.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $5,000, has been driven approximately 143,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives great, making it a reliable option for daily driving or light-duty work. The vehicle has been well maintained, with brand new front and rear brakes installed in January and a new passenger side door actuator replaced in May. It also includes an aftermarket multimedia radio system that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, providing modern connectivity and entertainment features.
Number 5. 1995 Ford F150, price $6,900, features a reliable inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission.
It has approximately 220,000 miles, a green exterior, a refreshed interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is also equipped with a dual fuel tank system for added convenience and extended range. The vehicle has received numerous recent updates, including a fresh paint job, all-new suspension bushings, a redone interior, and new rims and tires.
It has passed smog inspection and has current registration valid through 2026. Overall, this Ford F-150 has been well maintained and updated, making it a solid option for anyone. Number 6.
1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,000. It has been driven approximately 138,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a striking red exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a distinctive and attractive appearance. Although the fuel type is listed as electric, the vehicle is powered by a V8 engine that runs and drives very well. The truck has been professionally repainted and presents exceptionally well. It comes equipped with functioning air conditioning and heating, providing comfort in various weather conditions. The interior includes bucket seats and power windows, adding convenience and comfort for both the driver and passengers. The body is completely rust-free, and the truck is fitted with good quality tires that contribute to its smooth and dependable driving experience.
Overall, this Dodge Ram 1500 is a clean, solid, and attractive truck that has been well cared for and is ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1994 Ford F250, price $8,500, is equipped with a 5.8L V8 gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and a long bed setup. Finished in white and showing approximately 118,000 miles, it offers a great combination of power, reliability, and utility for both work and daily driving. The truck is in good overall condition with only minor nicks and scratches consistent with its age. Mechanically, it runs great, with a recently replaced and upgraded suspension as well as a recent tune-up, making it ready for its next owner. Overall, this F250 offers a solid combination of reliability, capability, and classic Ford truck appeal. Number 8. 1981 Ford F150, price $6,800, is a solid 4x4 pickup powered by a 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has approximately 50,000 miles and runs and drives well. It features a white exterior and a white interior, and it is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck comes with a clear title and is ready for its next owner. While it does have rust, the cab remains in decent condition for its age. The bed is rough and will likely need attention or restoration. Overall, this F-150 is a good candidate for a project, restoration, farm truck, or classic 4x4 enthusiast looking for a solid running vintage pickup. Number 9. 1960 Ford F100, price $8,000, powered by its original 223 CID mileage maker inline-6 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. With approximately 100,000 miles and a gasoline-powered drivetrain, the truck starts, runs, drives, and shifts smoothly. The clutch and brakes function properly, and the original factory 4x4 transfer case moves through all ranges as intended. The engine runs quietly without any major exhaust leaks or ticking noises, although it produces a slight amount of smoke. The carburetor requires attention due to a sticking float, and the truck is currently running from an auxiliary fuel tank with an electric fuel pump because the original fuel tank contains rust and will need cleaning or replacement. The truck has good glass, decent floors with some repaired areas, and a seat that will soon need reupholstering. Rust is present, particularly around the bed area, along with the normal wear expected of a vehicle of its age. The front end and drivetrain have some play and will require attention, making this a project truck that is not currently roadworthy and should be transported by trailer. Number 10. 1977 GMC 1500, price $5,500, showing 19,000 miles and featuring a black exterior paired with a black interior. Powered by its original 350 V8 engine and TH350 automatic transmission. The transmission was professionally rebuilt less than 2,000 miles ago. The truck has received numerous upgrades, including brand new Cooper Cobra tires, a newer AVS2 carburetor, new ignition components, an electric fuel pump, a new alternator, a new power steering pump, long tube headers, and a true dual exhaust system. It also features a lowered suspension setup with drop spindles, drop springs, and a rear leaf flip. While it does have some rust in areas and will need a windshield, it remains a solid, great running classic truck.